Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to TechnoWaves, where we make tech simple for everyone. And today we have got something super useful for all laptop and tablet users. This is the Zebronics Type-C to Multi-Port Hub TA150 Pro. If you ever wished your Type-C port could magically turn into multiple ports, then this little gadget right here might just fix all your problems. So let's not waste any time. Let's unbox it, test it out, and see if it's really worth your money. So let's get started. So alright guys, this is the box of the TA150 Pro. Very compact packaging, typically Zebronics styling. On the front you get the picture of the product, and back all the parts are clearly listed. Here you can see one Type-C to one USB 3.0 generation port, and one HDMI, one Type-C, 15 cm of cable, plug and play, and multi operating system compatible. Yes, so let's unbox it first. It is super lightweight, premium aluminum finish. Honestly looks more expensive than it is. Yes, wow. So basically what we get here means, you can see here one USB 3.0 generation port, and one HDMI port, and one Type-C port, and here's the cable of 15 cm, and it is very plug and play, guys. And this USB port for pen drives, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, and anything you just connect. And this HDMI port will support 4K HD quality. Yes, you can connect your monitor or TV and enjoy 4K output, perfect for presentation or dual screen setup. And also here the best part, here we get Type-C PD charging port. This is very important, guys. You can charge your laptop and also use the hub at the same time. Yes, here we get the dual feature of this. Cable is very soft, durable, and long enough for easy desk placement. Here you can see very flexible Type-C cable here we get. Yes, it's time for the real test. Let's plug this in. So yes guys, now let's test it out. I'm using to my laptop. Here you can see, guys, in my laptop there is no Type-C port, but I have one USB port. For connecting your USB port you can use this type of connector, and here I am going to connect this Type-C hub to this small tool, connect, and I will directly connect to my laptop, and that's it, guys. Now we will see after plugging it all the ports become active. So now we can connect our USB devices. So you can connect, guys, your pen drive, hard disk, keyboard, mouse. Just plug into this USB 3.0 port, and that's it. Here you can see, guys, my pen drive is connected, USB drive is connected. Yes, absolutely perfect. You can also connect to your HDMI, your monitor or TV, guys, by using this HDMI cable from the hub to your monitor or TV. So your laptop screen will appear on the TV. So guys, have you seen it all? If you want to charge your laptop also, just plug your laptop charger into this Type-C port or USB, and your laptop will charge while the hub is working. And guys, one thing is very important. If HDMI isn't working on your laptop, and make sure your laptop must support DP alt mode, means display output through Type-C. If it is nothing works, unplug the hub and restart your laptop and connect it. Some laptops have multiple Type-C ports, so try another port if the first one doesn't support output. So okay guys, about the pros and cons. About pros, it has 3-in-1 essential ports. One is USB, one HDMI, and one Type-C PD port, and it supports 4K HDMI and with smooth data transfer, lightweight and travel friendly, and PD charging support also. But about its cons, the cable is very short, common in all hubs. And here you can see, if your laptop doesn't have a Type-C port, so you may have to use this type of tool. Here we get one Type-C port. Here we have to just connect, and the output will be like a USB, so you can connect your laptop. So you can also use this tool. But guys, it works best with Type-C laptops that supports DP alt mode. Yes, so it will support 4K HD quality if you directly connect to your Type-C laptops. Yes, it's a very good advantage of using Type-C laptops. So guys, this Zebronics TA150 Pro is honestly a solid Type-C hub for the price. If you are a student, office user, content creator, or you just need more ports for your laptop, this is the great value pick. And if you want more such simply and honest tech videos, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to TechnoWaves and press that bell icon so you don't miss out any new videos. So I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep watching TechnoWaves.